let's get ready to plan for the week of February 19th through the 25th in my catch-all planner. So today we are still going to be using that kit from Exo Mama Plans. This was her exclusive January kit. And we might throw in some other things in here too, but this has just been an amazing kit. I mean, you have this was the ultimate. She has lots of different variations on what her kits can hold, like how many stickers you get and all that. So there was a lot here, so it was pretty nice. I do like keeping things simple on this page, so we're just going to do, I think maybe we use some of the bows, because I don't typically use the bow headers, or let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've got 5. I got 5 of those. So we'll put one here underneath schedule, just to give it a little pizzazz. Why not? To-dos. I'm not going to write anything in this section right now. I'm going to get to that later because today is Saturday, the 17th, and this is usually when my husband and I have our planner meeting. So a lot of times I'll put it in then. And then we'll put a little box here. And maybe a little bow tie. And then as far as over here, let's use up some of these washi strips. Oh, my little bugaboos. Are you being good? Okay. I always like to double check because this has been a weird filming day. I've had a lot of partial filmings to do after being under the weather last week. So like I maybe had started filming something, or I also filmed some in real life Plan With Me stuff, which I did not realize just like how many like little pieces of things I was gonna have with that. So I think I'm just gonna write brain dump. I'm gonna use the pink pen. Fabulous. All right, then let's go over to the weekly. The other thing I'm going to fill out also with my husband is the grocery and meal plan. We've got some ideas that we want to do, but I might add a little bit of stuff to it, but I'm not super concerned. Yay. All right. I'm going to use these washi strips, and we're gonna go ahead and do under this week, and then Sharpie Doll. They might be ready for a WALK, but it's really cold outside, which is probably one of the reasons I had a migraine last week. Oh dear. Do we need to readjust? Do we need to readjust? I think so. This is a pretty sticky sticker, so I'm going to use the undo. Yeah, so last week, I'm sure you heard it in my voice in some of those Plan With Me's. I was just exhausted. And if you watched the, like, in real life Plan With Me that I posted yesterday, you heard me talk about it too, because it took me a while to, like, I didn't get to plan every day. Like, looking at my planner became not the highest priority. So, I ended up taking a sick day on Thursday. I was like, I just think whatever I'm fighting off, I think I just need an extra day of rest. So let's give that a try. Well, Thursday came and I broke out into a mega migraine. I don't think I've had one that bad in a very long time. And typically, my migraines come about due to stress and a lot of times weather. So I think with here in Indiana, don't go crooked. Oh no, more undo. I usually don't. I'm not bothered by that, but I'm trying to make this work. Come here, just a little bit. There you go. We've had like up to the 40s, and then it'll drop back down to the teens, and up and down and up and down. Not super unusual, but also not great. I think that might be why I had a migraine. I mean, it was like lights out, mask on my face type of migraine. Not fun. The aura thing happened. Didn't like that. 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. Dang. But I am, after it broke, like when it finally released, man, did I feel so much better. And I felt more like myself. And suddenly my energy levels like bounced back. So that part was good. So yes, last week ended up being a take it easy week, and there is nothing wrong with that. I think I'll use the glitter headers, and we'll just, I always forget how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7. Maybe we do a gold one there. This week we have Monday off for President's Day, so that's very nice. Friday was a snow makeup day, so we did have to use that because we had so many different days. So the rule in Indiana is that you can only have 3 asynchronous e-learning days, and we choose to use those for our snow days. Once we've used those 3, we don't do synchronous e-learning, just because we feel like that's just really hard on families. Also, like, let's say, teachers, have families too. And if their kid's trying to e-learn and they're trying to teach, there's a lot of moving pieces that we've noticed, at least in our district, that makes it hard for us to do the synchronous learning. So then we have some traditional snow days thrown into the mix. Nothing wrong with that. Put this guy here. All right, let's use the day off. Since we've got the yellow and pink vibe going on here, we'll do day off right there. And then I do want to use these guys, and I don't know, do I want to use them Monday? Maybe this sticker this week. Let's go ahead and put him at the top. And then that guy there. These are Lights Planner Action Inserts. If I have not said that, I might not have. I love these guys. They're so good. I feel like all of these are very vertical, right? That's the vibe I get. I know I could turn some of them, like the crystals would probably be okay in this. They just seem like they should be vertically aligned. So we'll do that. We'll just make some fun little clusters here. And, oh, I like this week. Let's add him to the top. That's a good one. Like him. And then we'll do a pink to-do list here. We won't add him there. That seems weird. Tuesday we have Pink Zebra TV Live. We need to put that down. Maybe I'll use the potion for that one. That's cute. I'll do that. What we got next? Wednesdays. I'm trying to think. I think I want another nice big checklist, but maybe we'll do a little one there. I've got a blue one. And I know I could cut some checklists apart. I just like having enough checklists to get things done, you know? There you go. We will use the habit tracker on this side. Let's use a bow. Oh, did someone bring a toy? Or are we just playing? Oh, that's coming out cute. It's not a huge busy week next week, so I'm not super concerned. I'm gonna do it to clean here. And we'll add a big checklist there. I didn't even realize that's a cute little Manny one. It's the bedrooms next week. I don't have, do we have a sticker that looks like? Not really. That's fine. I just thought I'd check. I do like those clean ones too. Maybe we'll add one of these underneath because we got the space. All right. No, hey, spell correctly. I'm ridiculous. I am. I'm just ridiculous. Okay, let's put maybe the weekend. Let's put the weekend banner up because then I can figure out what stickers I'm putting over there. Weekend. I think I'll put him in the middle because I plan on going live on my Facebook VIP group. I don't want to cover up the book. I think we'll do it up here. Right? Let's do it there. So there's my PZTV Live. I think these I'll leave for another time. Let's do this one, we'll place him here. And then we'll do another checklist. Oh wait, that's movie night. We need to put a box for movie night. Oh, I need to put Oliver. Oh, what if I put him there instead of dinners? That's our TV schedule. Done. Yes, checklist. All right. I'll put it. One there. And we'll grab another to do. And this will still leave, I mean, I still have a ton of stickers. This will leave me enough for next week for sure. Let's do, I like the bows. Let's use those. We haven't done that so much. Oh, goodness. That's nice. And then over here, I don't use flags very often, so why don't we do that this time? These are very large flags, but that's okay. I don't use flags very often, so we might as well use them, right? Take those guys there, and then we'll do 2 more on Sunday. Yeah, why not? Gives me enough checklists for things and all of that fun stuff. All of that fun stuff. I think I'm gonna have to start kind of rearranging some of these stickers in a good way. So we'll put the little TV sticker guy right here. I like that. All right, let's go ahead and write that in. So Monday, as always, Minecraft guide. Tuesday is GNS. Wednesday is Neebs. Thursday is kind of the swing day. This one is Marvel. We're on I Am Groot, which I think we're just going to knock out of the park that day because they're all like 4-minute, 3-minute little shorts. So we tend to do Neebs on Thursday, but sometimes, like I said, that's kind of the swing day. Podcast on Saturday. And then again, Sunday's a little more of a swing day. I have not been knitting, so I think that's what we're going to track this week. Because one of my goals for the month is to finish the one project, and I haven't even touched it. So we're gonna see if I can knit this week. Yeah, let's do, just because I like to, a little washi strip here. For my next week. Do I have another next week sticker? Must do today's. Don't forget. We can do a don't forget. That'll work. Don't forget will work. And put that in my notes there. So cute. All right. I don't think I'm going to add anything to my grocery list / meal prepping pages. I think we're going to leave this where it's at. And I think it turned out super duper cute. So yes, this kit again was an exclusive kit for January from Exo Mama Plans. She's already done her February exclusive, but I always put a link to her website in the description so that you can take a look. You can be ready for March if you want to be. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope it earned your subscription, and I'll catch you all in the next one.